Alright guys, I got this bike out. This is the one I did the shift kit on. It worked, but I could not get the derailleur to quit kicking the chain. So it wasn't going to be reliable. And I just didn't want to deal with it, so I took it off. I'm going to end up using the jack shaft and some of the other parts for another project that I got lined up. So what I ended up doing is I went back and put a 32 sprocket on the rear. It's a PK80. I did go through, like I said, I didn't do, like, I just got a timing wheel, and I'm going to learn how to do that. I got to learn how to time it, but what I did is I went through and port matched the exhaust and the reed to the block, or the cylinder, and it seems to be running really, really well. It's just doing that, it pulls pretty good. I mean, this motor's always been good. I've had this motor for about, I don't know, probably going on 3 years now. I am running a 26 in the rear, 29 in the front, and then I had these Suntours forks. They were actually in really good shape, and the forks that were on there were junk. They didn't even work. But these ones actually make, and with this bike being the way it's sitting, it rides so good, so smooth. And then on this side, I did for the crank, I put a normal crank on this side, and then I ran one of these tensioners to take up the chain, and then on this side I did the extended arm. That way when you pedal it, you can get right around the exhaust and not have any issues, because this exhaust does come out. And with this combo, it seems to run really good. I have full hydraulic for the rear, and then the front is cable, just your cable one. And then these are pit bike handlebars that I'm running on it. And like I said, this thing is just super, super comfortable to sit on, and you don't feel any bumps of your hands or anything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing fired up for the first time in probably months. All right, one more thing. This is what I do to my kickstands and my tensioners. I drill a hole right through the middle and run a bolt through the center. And that way, no matter what, this kickstand is not going to kick out. And then the tensioner, I do the exact same thing too. So I never have to worry about this actually moving. Wherever I put it, it's going to stay. That's just one of the tricks I do. I don't really see anybody else doing it, but I just figured I'd put that out there. And I am running a little bit higher octane fuel now, because I was running 87. It seemed to run better with the higher octane fuel. So I'm running the highest I can get over here. Then I'm gonna give that a shot and see how it rides with that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it running and figure out a place to go today. I'm not sure where I want to take it to, but we'll find somewhere to go. All right, guys, getting this thing fired up for the first time in a while. Yeah, this thing's actually doing pretty good against the wind. I don't know if you guys can see it, but all that, if you see that kind of fogginess in the distance, that's actually the smoke from Canada, that wildfire that's going on. So yeah guys, this thing, like I said, has been sitting. This is my most reliable one that I own. It's been sitting and I literally just took it out. It's hot, it's really muggy today. I was kind of worried about the engine overheating, but yeah, you can see in the video that I'm just holding it wide open and never letting go until I hit like a stop sign or something like that. It never fails. That's why I had to get rid of that shift kit, because this thing is just, it's something I can jump on and know that I'm going to get to where I'm going and not have to worry about anything coming loose. Or I do check it every time before I ride it, but yeah, so I don't know what to do with it next. I'm thinking about maybe trying to do a distance ride with it. Same thing with the Pet Moto. I kind of want to see how far I could take that. Now since I got that all done, so. And I do have another frame that's got a fat tire for the rear and a skinny tire for the front. I have like an idea on that. I'm working on to see if I got enough parts to put it together, but that'll be coming soon. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. If you got any comments, leave them down there. Thank you.